Open the Dario app, remove the Dario smart meter, and connect it to your smartphone charging port or audio jack. Take out a new test strip. When prompted, insert the test strip into your meter with the gold square facing upwards. If you insert it upside down or backwards, it won't work. Now let's prime the lancet. Slide the bar marked with the arrow down as far as it will go. Place the lancet opening against your clean finger and press the orange release button to draw blood. Place a drop of blood on the test strip. Dario is measuring. Remove the used test strip and dispose according to your county's regulations. Your measurement will save automatically. When you track additional information on the data entry page connected to your reading, tap the check mark to save.